Assalamu alaikum prep class. Now it's time for pre-primary mathematics workbook level 3. We have done page number 13 yesterday. Now we will do page number 14. Count the number of leaves on each stem. Okay, count the number of leaves. So we will count the number of leaves on each stem. So first of all, I will count this one. Okay, how many leaves are there on this stem? Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, and then right here 4. Okay, same like this, you will count the number of leaves on this tree and the number of leaves on this one and the number of leaves on this stem and right here. After that, you all write the numbers in order, means you will arrange the numbers from small to big. Okay, small to greater. After that, page number 15, addition. Okay, Saad has 3 books. They are saying that Saad has 3 books. He buys 2 more. It means, let me show you. Okay, first of all, Saad has 3 books. Okay, Saad has 3 books. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, Saad buys 2 more books. Okay, 1 and 2 more books. Now count how many books Saad has. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, same like this. If you see the question, 1, 2, 3. Saad has 3 books and he buys 2 more. More means zyada. 2 more. Then count all the books. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And write here 5 books. How many books does he have altogether? 5 books. After that, Anam has 5 balloons and she gets 3 more. Okay, now you will tell me that how many balloons does she have now. Okay, I will check these 2 pages by tomorrow.